Everyone, how are you guys? I hope all are doing great and fantastic. So friends, once again welcome to my new video. And friends, in this video I am going to talk about how to stay motivated while learning English language, because it is very important for all learner. Because friends, sometimes something happen in our life, so after thinking about that things, we feel that I cannot learn English language. Means we start feeling unconfidence, we start feeling demotivated. So in this video I will talk about this all things, and I will tell you how can you stay motivated while learning English. So friends, this video is going to be very helpful and very knowledgeable for all the learner. Stay tuned till the end of the video, and if you are new here, please do not forget subscribe to this channel so that you can get my all the videos. So without any delay, let's move forward to video. Okay, so while learning English language, sometimes we are not able to see our result. Means we are not able to see our improving in speed of doing practice every day. We are not able to see the result, and we don't see the result. That's why we start feeling that I am not improving my skill. I do my practice every day, but I am not improving, so I cannot learn English language, I cannot do this. So we start feeling negative thoughts, we start creating negative thoughts, and we feel that this is not my cup of tea, I can give up, I should give up. So we start thinking that. So friends, I want to say that it happens with everyone, and I can say that it is a human tendency, it happen with everyone. So it all up to you that how you are removing this all things. It's all up to you. And if I talk about how to stay motivated while learning English language, so friends, if you have powerful reason, I always say that you don't need to watch any videos, you don't need to watch any motivational videos. If you have powerful reason for doing this work, if you have reason behind this, so you always be motivated. Okay, so you don't need to think that I while learning English language, how can I motivate. So for these things, I just want to say that you do not need to watch any video, you feel motivate by yourself. If you have powerful, just whenever you think that I am not feeling motivate, I am unconfident, so just start thinking about your reason why you have started learning English language. This is the thing that I do whenever I feel that I cannot do these things, I cannot learn English language, this is not my cup of tea. So I just start about my reason. And whenever I think about my reason, already means already I start feeling motivate. No, I have to do these things, I have to learn. If I do not learn English language, so why I have started? If I cannot do these things, so why I have started? I start thinking about these things. Because friends, I know that you have started learning English language, and if you give up, if you quit these things, how do you feel after quitting these things? Means I am saying, I want to say that if you want to give up, if you want to leave this thing, so after leaving, every time you will think about these things. So I am saying that whenever you feel unconfidence, whenever you feel demotivated, so just take a break. Yes, take a break, but do not give up. If you are feeling very demotivated, so you can take a break for a while, for a day. Okay, for a while, for you can take a break. There is no problems if you are taking any break, because it is necessary, it is very important for taking break. Okay, I also do like this whenever I feel that means whenever I feel very demotivated, whenever I feel unconfident, so I take some rest, I take some break, I stop these things, but I do not think about give up. So I just want to say that if these things happen with you, so do not think about give up, do not think that I cannot learn English language, I cannot speak. So must think that I should take a break. After taking some break, you already you will already think that yes, now I have means I should started learning this language again. You will feel after taking some break, after taking some rest. Okay, so it is very important that suppose that I am going to give you an example. Okay, suppose that if we are doing any job, okay, if we are working in a company, if we are working in a school, suppose that I can say anywhere, if we are working, so while working that work, we start feeling bored. Okay, we start feeling monotonous. So means we means we want to take some break, and after taking rest, we take rest. Okay, we take rest for our mind, we take rest for our body, and after taking rest, our mind uh, start working again. So this is the process. And if you are learning English language, while learning English language, if you are thinking that means if you are thinking very tired, okay, if you are feeling very tired having learned this language, so you must take a break for a while, and after that you must restart again. Your mind will work again after taking some rest. While learning English language, what happened with everyone, even in myself, with myself, these things happen that while learning English language, I think that I am not improving, I cannot, what should I do for improving. Means all the time we think about this English language all the time. This is not very tough, and we make these things very like a tough things. We have made these things very tough language. That's why all the time we think that this is not our cup of tea. But it is not language learning is not very tough task for everyone. It is like a process. If we are doing practice every day, so obviously we are learning English language, but we are not able to see the result. And every day we are improving ourselves. We are thinking that language learning is very tough task for me, so it is very wrong things. Do not think that and do not uh, take it a burden on your mind. If you take burden this thing, so all the time you feel tired and all motivated, all the time you feel like this, because your mind takes a burden. Okay, so remove this thing that language learning is very tough task for me. No, it is just a language, and treat this a language, because we have to convey our message. Our motive is only convey our message. We don't need to be fluent. I think I am saying that we don't need to copy other British, we don't need to copy other abroad person is speak English. Okay, so just keep these things in your mind, that all the time do not think about learning English is very tough task for me all the time. Means would like to say that all the time do not take it like a burden. Okay, if you take these things like a burden, so all the time you feel tired and you feel demotivated, and you will not be able to learn English language. Okay, so if you have unconfidence, if you feel demotivated, so I will recommend you take some break for a while, and after that start again this language, learning this language. It will really helpful for you. And because I also do like this, and I have understood it very well, that if we do some work like daily, if we do, so sometimes we feel bored, we feel monotonous, so at that time we must take some break. I also do like this. And if I talk about motivation, how to stay motivated while learning English language, so I just want to say that things, if you have powerful reason for learning English language, means for doing anything, so you don't need to watch any videos, you don't need to go anywhere. You have your motivation, you don't need to find motivation here and there. You have motivation, and find your motivation, look your reason, and think about your reason, so that you can you will get easily motivation. So friend, this is the thing that I wanted to share with you, and I hope that you have learned something new from this video. And if you like my video, so please do not forget subscribe to this channel, and meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.